Start with a slip knot. And chain 100, or else you can start off with any multiple of 4. Three double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. 1 2 3 4. This is the 4th chain. Two more double crochets in the same stitch. Skip the next 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and in the next stitch make 3 double crochets. Now repeat this. Skip 3, and in the next stitch make 3 double crochets. Now repeat this until the end. Skip 3, and in the next stitch 3 double crochets. Skip 3, and in the next stitch 3 double crochets. You'll have 4 stitches left at the end. Make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert a hook into the first chain stitch and pull up a loop. Now turn your work. Now the next round onwards will be working in the spaces. So insert a hook into this space and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's the turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next round we have already made 1 double crochet. The next stitch will be working in this middle stitch from round number 1, this one. Make 1 treble crochet into this middle stitch, that is the second stitch. Yarn over twice and insert your hook into this middle stitch, that is the second stitch, and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops, the next 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. This is how the back will look. Next, 1 double crochet in this space. This is the space. So that's total 3 stitches over here. Skip the next 3 stitches and next we'll be working in this space. Repeat the same. 1 double crochet. One treble crochet in the middle stitch from round number 1. Pull through 2, pull through next 2, and finally the last 2. 1 double crochet in the same space. Now repeat this in each of the chain spaces. 1 double crochet, 1 treble in the middle stitch of this chain 3 stitches, pull through 2, pull through next 2, and finally the last 2, and 1 double crochet into the same space. Once we reach the end, make one double crochet in the last stitch. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert your hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, turn your work. We'll be working in the spaces, so insert your hook into the space and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's the turning chain made and one double crochet made. Next on, we've already made one double crochet. The next stitch we'll be making in this middle stitch of this double crochets, one treble crochet in this middle stitch and insert your hook into this middle stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, next 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. One double crochet into the same space. Now repeat this in each of the spaces. One double crochet, one treble in this middle stitch from the 3 double crochets, yarn over twice, the middle stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through next 2 and the last 2. One double crochet into the same space. Once you reach the end, make one double crochet into this last stitch. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, and set your hook into the first chain stitch and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert your hook into this first space and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's a turning chain made and one double crochet made. Now keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. One double crochet is already made, one treble crochet in this middle stitch of this double crochets, one double crochet into the same space, repeat this in each of the spaces, and once you reach the end, make one double crochet in the last stitch. This is how the pattern will look. This is the back. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.